How to use Printful and Printify for one store. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Printful and Printify for one store. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Printful and Printify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. And now the store that we're going to use is this Shopify, in which it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create, manage, and scale online stores. It provides also a user-friendly interface with a wide range of customizable templates, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced developers. Shopify offers a comprehensive suite of tools for selling products online, in person, through point-of-sale systems, and across multiple sales channels such as social media and marketplaces. So now to create an account, you can click the link in the description or the login button on the top right corner to sign in. After signing in, you'll automatically be directed in your homepage of Shopify, in which is basically what it looks like. So from here, to connect our Printful and Printify account, we could also start by navigating or by simply going to the next tab and go to our printful.com and simply sign in our Printful account. Or you could also log in using the link in the description. After signing in on Printful, this is basically what the homepage looks like. We can now proceed by navigating to printify.com and sign in our account in here, in which this also the dashboard looks like. Going back to our Shopify store, from here all we need to do is simply click under apps this add button. By clicking on it on this pop-up window, just click the Shopify App Store. From that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply go to our search bar on the top panel of it and simply search or to install the Printful and Printify. So let's start by looking or searching for Printful. Upon searching Printful in here, just choose here the result, which is this one, and click install. Upon doing so, you'll automatically be directed again in here, in which to proceed installing in our Shopify or connect this, just click install button again in here. Once done, it'll automatically show you that you also need to sign in your account. However, since we already signed in our account, just click yes sign in button in here to proceed. And if you're now done, it will automatically be signing you by clicking this authorize button. All you need to do is wait for it to load until it will show you this kind of information or Printful homepage in here. You already connect your store, upload the products to store, and many more. And now the next thing that you need to do is to simply add the Printify. So just go to all recommended apps and click Shopify App Store on this pop-up window. Just do the same process, but at this point, just go to the search bar and search the app Printify. By clicking on it, it will show you the result and click install this button. By clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed again on the next stage, where you just simply sign in your account on Printify. However, from here, it will show you what it looks like. Click the install button to proceed. And to start signing in, you simply click the sign in button or continue using your Google account in here. But at this point, there's an error, so I'm not able to sign in my account. But as you can see, this is basically what it looks like upon signing in your account or connecting to Shopify. You can start adding a catalog or some of your product on the left side panel and start creating or adding your design, in which upon linking or connecting it to your Shopify store, once the product has been added in here, it will automatically also be added to your Shopify store. Likewise in here in Printful, when you go to the catalog option under this Printful, you could also go to this product templates in here or product catalog to see the products in your Printful account. By clicking add products on the top right corner, we can start adding in here or choosing the product that we want to add. And that includes men's clothing, women's clothing, kids, youth clothing, accessories, home and living, and even hats. All you need to do from here is to simply choose the kind of product you want to add to your Shopify store, and also choose a variety. Once done, the next thing that you need to do is simply add a design for it. However, as you can see, we're already redirected on this page of Printful, So we can simply not add any more product template. But if you go to this product templates option on the left side panel and click the create product on the top right, we can start creating here the template of the product, including the men's clothing in here by choosing the product, in which this is basically what it looks like once you're done. And when you click add product to store, the next thing that you need to do is to make sure that all of these details are already filled out, including the design, the mockups, details, and even the pricing of it. So now after filling out the required information and it's now added the product, just click add to store button, in which if you visit your products option or catalog option on the left side panel of Shopify, you should be able to see here the product that has been linked or import from our Printful or Printify. But overall, that is just how you can use Printful and Printify for one store. Thank you.